Hey guys, today we're going to be doing complementary and supplementary angles. I was expecting to be at school today, so we have notes, and I'm going to go ahead and go over them, and then I'm going to have a practice assignment. So since we're home, you're going to hear my baby a little bit in the background. He's wanting to get the computer, so I apologize. So first things first, we're going to do a warm-up, and it's solving equations, which you should notice these are on your weekly warm-ups. So what you'll do is you want to get x by itself, and to do that, you do the opposite operation. So for this one, you're going to minus 45 both sides, and I get x equals, and 90 minus 45 is 45. This one, same thing. I have 123 plus x equals 180. I will minus 123 and x equals, and then 57, I believe, and I'll let you figure that one out. So I want to talk about our notes for today because we're talking about two things that you probably haven't heard of before. And the first thing that we're going to be talking about, obviously, is an angle. So an angle is a figure formed by two rays with a common vertex. So that's kind of important that you know that definition, because an angle is this right here, from this point to the intersection, which is the vertex, to this point. This is an angle. And so it's basically a measure. And so then a vertex is a point of intersection. Vertex. And complementary angles are two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. And supplementary angles are two angles whose sum is 180. So here's how I remember this. C is first in the alphabet, so that's complementary. And 90 comes first in our number system. And then supplementary is 180. So those numbers add up to 180. So I want to show you what we're going to do with that. So I'm going to skip slide 4 and we'll do 5 real quick. And so it says, write and solve an equation to find the value of x. And so when I'm looking at number 1, I see that those both add up to 90 degrees because it's a 90-degree angle. And so if I solve an equation or write an equation, it's going to be x plus 17 is equal to 90. And I want to know what must x be if 1 is 17 and they have to add up to 90. So 90 minus 17 is 73. So my answer is x equals 73. We're going to do the same thing for number 2, write and solve an equation to find the value of x. So it's going to be x plus 125 is equal to 180. So I'm going to write that right there. Sorry, I have a little bit of a grumpy baby this morning. So x plus 125 equals 180. And if I minus 180 minus 125, I get x equals 55. So this is pretty much all we're doing for today. I plan on going over this more tomorrow. If you want to finish, I have another slide with the same type of problems, and then I want you logging onto IXL and just doing some practice problems. I've attached them under the recommendations. Feel free to email me if you have any questions or whatever. Have a great day, guys.